Coding Studio Learners. In this video, I tell about how to find the sum of matrix by two-dimensional array. So let's see the logic about behind it. One follower is asking me how to find the sum of two matrix in a two-dimensional array. So by adding the matrix 1 and matrix 2, we have to get the matrix as a 3. Means by adding inside the matrix, we have to add the numbers and get in a matrix format. So this is the format which we have to get the programming output. So by watching my video, you can able to do the multi-dimensional array similarly. So first of all, we have to know how to define the matrix. Here I am taking as a, let's see, here it is the matrix which have to define it. Which we have to define it. So here it is the I and it is the J. So we have here it is the column section, and here it is the row section. We get as the 1 cross 1 and 1 cross 2 and here 2 cross 1 and here 2 cross 2 because of row and the column. Here first row first column, first row second column, second row first column and second row second column. This is the matrix format which I have to define in the matrix of the A. So let's see the example by adding here I am taking the matrix as higher as A. I am defining the matrix as 1A and again with B. So here I am taking as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here 8. So we have to find the C matrix. Means matrix of A plus matrix of B. So by adding the matrix A and matrix B, we get the C matrix. So let's see how to find it. So I am showing here. So let's see here. 1 into 5. 1 into 5 plus 2 into 7. Here first row first and 5. 1 and 5 into means 1 into 5 plus 2 into 7, and similarly here this row and this column similarly I am taking here as 1 into 6 plus 2 into 8 and similarly 3 into 5 plus 4 into 7 and similarly 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8. By adding these all, we get as the sum of matrix C. So 1 into 5, 5. 2 plus 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 5, it is 19. So here the sum 19 and 6. 8 to 16. 16 plus 6, it is 22. 8 has a 22 and 3 5 15 plus 4 7 28. 15 plus here 15 plus 28. We get as the 343 value and 6 3 is 18 and 4 is 32. By adding it, we get as a 40. So this is the matrix addition which have to multiply it. So in next video, I tell about the logic, how to find the matrix in the programming logic. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand the video how to add the matrix in a basic way. Thank you for watching.